Sorry, I don't know what happened. That completely froze on me. Okay, here's another example. Anyway, Jamie can buy a 15-ounce jar of peanut butter for $2.19 or a 20-ounce jar for $2.78. So 15 ounces for $2.19. When we divide that by 15, okay, we'll get the unit price for 1 ounce of peanut butter. Okay. And then the second option is to get 20 ounces for $2.78. I divide that by 20, and I will get the unit rate of 1 ounce of peanut butter in this jar. Okay, I'm going to use my calculator because this video is already getting so long. 219 divided by 15, and I get a value of, oops, wrong color, 146. And in the second one, 278 divided by 20. Oh, wrong color again. 0.139. Okay, so which one has the lower unit price? The second jar of peanut butter. Okay, it's cheaper to get the 20-ounce jar for $2.78. This one has the lower unit price. Okay, here's 5.3. Okay, these are some of the examples that we've been working on. Tell whether the ratios 6/15 and 4/10 are proportional. In order to check, we practiced a couple different ways, but the super cool way, if you remember it, is to cross multiply. So 6 times 10, okay, does that equal 15 times 4? 6 times 10 is 60, and 15 times 4 is 60. Yes, they are proportional. The answer is yes. For example B, a mixture of fuel for a certain small engine should be 4 parts gasoline, so 4 parts gasoline to 1 part oil. If you combine 5 quarts of oil with 15 quarts gasoline, will the mixture be correct? Okay? If it is, then the cross products will be equal. So 4 times 5, does that equal 1 times 15? 4 times 5 is 20, 1 times 15 is 15. Those are not equal, so will the mixture be correct? No. Example 2, the ratio of the length of the actual height of a person to the length of the shadow cast by the person is 1 to 3. So 1 is the height of the person, and 3 is the shadow height. At the same time, a lighthouse casts a shadow. The shadow, that means shadow goes in the denominator because I put the shadow here, 36 meters long. What should the length of its shadow be? Okay, that should not say shadow. Okay, it should be what is the length of the lighthouse, or what is the lighthouse height. That's a typo in the book. Okay, so if it's 1 to 3 for a person and the shadow of the lighthouse is 36 meters, if I cross multiply, they will be equal. Okay, that's one strategy. You can also look at them as a fraction. Say, how do you get from 3 to 36? Well, I would multiply by 12. That means I would multiply the numerator by 12 as well. And then I would get that the height of the lighthouse should be 12 meters. Okay? If you don't see it as a fraction and you do the cross products, you will get 36 equals 3x, because you need to put something in the numerator, and then your x would be 12. Okay, both strategies work. Just depends on whether you treat it as, just depends on whether you treat it as something with a fraction that you can multiply to, or if you do the cross products because it's a proportion. Okay, either way will work. Alright, good job everyone. I'm so sorry this video got really weird at the end. But good job, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks all of you for your hard work. Bye.